Hello and welcome to my dining table. On the menu today we have from Accucraft AMS Jackson Sharp 1 to 20.3 scale passenger coach. I now have 6 of these, I think. Yep, 6. Most recently I bought 2 of these from Accucraft USA. So let's see me unboxing them now. So as I said, I bought these 2 coaches from Accucraft USA, which was through eBay, like most things I tend to buy. They cost me $550 for the 2, which works out just under £200 each. But added to that was about $120 shipping plus import tax when they arrived in the UK. Previously I had bought a couple of coaches from Accucraft Europe, which is in Germany. They were the most expensive. They cost me £380 per coach. And I think the price has gone up since then. But postage was cheaper. It was around about £15, I think. Plus, because we were still in the EU at the time, there was no import tax. So it'll probably be a different story now. But something I've found from ordering items from Germany is they quite often put extras in with your package. Usually some sweets or something, but with my coaches they added 2 Accucraft tote bags and an Accucraft pen, which was a nice little surprise. But that's why I was a bit disappointed when I first opened this box and found no extra goodies. The cheapest coach I've bought was from Trains with a Z in the USA. That was a second hand, but you wouldn't be able to tell, it looks brand new still. But that cost me £177 before the shipping and import tax. So the price varies quite a lot. There you go, that's one of the tote bags. So let's open the main box. So AMS and Accucraft models are renowned for being quite well packed, so let's have a look. That's the warranty, which for me living in the UK is completely pointless, as far as I know. Just for American stuff. Anyway, it's all taped down. Don't have sellotape. Get in there. Right. So the model inside is encased in polystyrene quite snugly, and it's all wrapped in plastic and tissue paper as well. So me with just my own 2 hands, I'm going to try and get this out. Being wrapped up, it's hard to tell where to actually grab it. So I can get my thumb under it. Somehow try and keep the polystyrene down with my little finger. It's tight. No, it's not going to work. And finally, and I thought it was free, it's obviously not. There you go, see what I mean by snug. Put that there. So that's the box out of the way. And then we can unwrap. Still can't see where to actually pick it up. Let's have a look. Yep. You've got to be careful with these because they do have some little details often, and they can easily break them off in unwrapping if they haven't been broken off already in transit. So right, so that's the wrapping off. Now I can pick it up easy. Layers out of the way. Over there. Right, now they come, for shipping, they come with these foam pieces. Just a bit of protection. So that goes out. And they come under the wheel trucks as well. Stop them rattling around. You just carefully pull those away. 2 on each side, I think. Yep. There we go. And on the other side. Can be quite fiddly. Finally, there it is. Good. So there we are. As I said, this is AMS, which is by Accucraft, but is the name they tend to use for their metal and plastic construction models, whereas Accucraft is saved for just their completely brass stuff. So, same company, different name. So this is it. They pride themselves as being museum quality models, and if you look at them when you first get them out, you think, yeah, that's nice. That is nice. The build quality, you feel it. It's pretty heavy. Nice lot of weight to it. You look at all the details around it and you think, yeah, there's plenty of detail in there. So I've got 2 that are unlettered. Now, all the rest of mine are d&rgw Western. As you can tell from this one, I have 3 of these, as well as this one, the Combine. Here's a closer look at some of the details. I really like the slightly matte plastic that they use on their models. Some other manufacturers are just a bit shiny. The metal wheel trucks, even having the d&rgw on there, just looks really great. At the ends you can see the doors open if you push them, and then they spring closed again. And all the decals look really clear. Of course it comes with Accucraft knuckle couplers, which tend to work very well. They always have some sort of a little arm on the side so you can uncouple without poking the things, but obviously these 2 liked each other a bit too much and wouldn't come apart. Nothing's perfect. Talking of nothing being perfect, we've got the lights on. Hey, let's have a look at the details inside. The chairs look good. And oh, there's some loose wires inside. What are they doing there? Similarly with the baggage compartment, you open the door as some people like to do, and oh, there's loose wires again. So, okay, maybe they modelled it so that you wouldn't have the doors open. But then, with that in mind, why would they put a stove inside for you to see? Don't quite get that, but oh well. The lights are track powered, so You will get some variances in brightness if you're doing an analog voltage control. I might opt to change these to battery at some point in the future, but we'll see. So if I model Denver Rear Grand Western, why have I got to unlettered? Well, there's two good reasons for that. One, Accucraft sold out of Denver Rear Grand Western ones, but that doesn't matter because, number two, I'm going to be remodeling this considerably. See, if you look at the construction of it, you can see by all the walls are made from separate panels, and there have been people over time who have made replacement panels. So you can take the coach apart, put new panels in, and you create a different style of coach, maybe one with older style windows from various different styles they've had over the years. As far as I know, only one person makes these panels at the moment. There's a guy called Alan, who's over in the US and has a website called the Gal Line. Gal standing for Great American Locomotion. And he says, gotta get Gal. So what I've done is I've ordered 2 kits from him, and I'll be transforming these plain coaches, one into a full-length single-door baggage car, the other one into an RPO, rolling post office. So in the future you can see me ruining some perfectly good coaches. Hopefully not. Hopefully making something really quite special. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, shall we run these out in my untidy garden on my very basic layout? I think we should. So, I hope you like that. Please, subscribe.